In this video, we're going to show you how to install the headlight with fog light option switch on your Dodge Ram, located right here on the driver's side of your dashboard. You want to go ahead and just reach around the side right here. We're gently going to pull outward. You want to dislodge the little retainer clips around the perimeter that's holding this in place. Go ahead and flip this over. Locate the connector on the back for the headlight switch. We're going to press down on that little tab and disconnect the connector. Let's take this over to the bench. We're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 3 screws holding the switch to the trim bezel. Take the new part, line it up, install your screws. Now this process is going to be the same for models with or without the fog light option. Go ahead and grab that harness, line that up, press it in. You can feel and hear that snap into place. Go ahead and line up the bezel. Get the bottom portion of the bezel snapped in first, and then snap in the upper portion. Go ahead and test your lights, make sure everything works. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.